Now you may be wondering why this buffoon is stood outside his front door when it's really quite cold. Well, the light's going a bit now, so it's just about dim enough to do a bit of a demo. Around the outside of the front door, that you probably can't see, is a string of WS2811 LEDs.
I didn't get that. Could you try?
Be quiet, Siri. And they go through a little hole into the house, and when the Ring doorbell is pushed, we catch the push notification. We send a webhook to a little Raspberry Pi, which is inside, nice and warm, like ours should be. That talks to a little bit of breadboard with a level shifter chip, a few other little bits and pieces, and then it does stuff when you push the doorbell. In simple terms, I didn't need the entire length. As you can see, you can just chop it off, put some tape around the end, whatever. So the question is, does it work? That appears to be a yes.